What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Gasas fam. If you guys can hear the AC, I do apologize in advance. It is so hot today and I cannot film this without it being cold in here because I am dying. But anyways, I know it's been a while since I last uploaded my last video, and before I get to the actual video, I just wanted to put these clips in here.
We're ready to find them.
Whoa!
Okay, ready?
Outside?
Afuera?
Is the same shit as earlier?
No. Ándale, papi, agarra los huevos.
I want this one. Where's all the fives at, guys? Where's all the fives? Oh, this way has all the fives.
Busca los huevos, papá. Mira, say cheese. What? Yeah.
I'll look for the eight.
Got Anneli a surprise, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is until you guys watch the video. This happened like maybe almost a week ago. No, it's about to be a week. I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Nell and Anneli are blindfolded because we just went to the store and we got them a surprise. You know, we're quarantined or whatever, so we gotta.
What's your female?
No. Okay, so hold on, okay? And we're gonna go get you guys your sorpresa.
Where's Nan?
So do I do it or?
Okay, ready, mama?
Here's your surprise.
3, 2, 1.
Like it.
But what is it for?
It's for the bike.
Oh, your Elsa bike, huh? Your Elsa bike? Oh.
Just kidding.
Close your eyes, mommy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Nomás cierra los ojos. Cierra los ojos. Okay? Close your eyes, okay?
Close your eyes, man.
Close your eyes, Nell. Ready? 5. Close your eyes. 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're welcome, Mama.
What is this for? For Christmas or for my birthday?
It's just to give it to you, baby. There's no reason at all. Nell
And
didn't.
this is not sponsored by Donald Trump.
Nell didn't get a bike because he's scared of the bikes. So we're gonna just paint Anneli's old bike to see if he likes it or not. Nell, ¿te subes a la bike? ¿Sí?
I know what doesn't want to buy.
¿Te subes? No?
They have to practice.
You know how
No.
to use it, Mama?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Gasas fam. As you can tell right now, we are in a park, and don't worry, the kids are not gonna be playing, but I just decided to bring them here and just get some fresh air. And we're gonna do a little mukbang with canes. Nan already got a head start because apparently he's super hungry.
And
So
then because the kids are trying to play or whatever because there's coronavirus and we can't play with no loud.
yeah, you can't play at the park. So anyways, we're gonna get started here, and while we eat, I'm gonna answer some questions. All right, so the first question is 3 things that make you happy. I don't know what this.
I know. Well, you make me
Alright, 3 things that make you happy. What is it?
make me happy. Will you give me a bike? And you make me happy.
Okay, so
A bike and yeah.
what else makes you happy? So we're gonna be answering these questions, her and I. So she says buying her things makes her happy. What else makes you happy?
Like when I'm sick, like my birthday, make me happy.
So having a birthday party makes me happy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then I think that's it.
Okay, so 3 things that make me happy. My family.
Not my family.
Oh. My family makes me happy. Just being, healthy and, with all of this going around with this coronavirus and this quarantine, it just makes you Google appreciate everything even more. So definitely my family. What else makes me happy? Makeup makes me happy, and dogs make me happy, but most importantly my family. Okay, next question. Your dream job. What is your dream job? What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a mom.
You want to be a mom? That's your job?
To be a teacher, to do that.
You want to be a teacher and a mom? Interesting. She tells me all the time, she's like, I want to be a mom when I grow up. You can be anything you want to be, baby. So my dream job...
Mommy, you already grew up. Yeah.
Okay, so my dream job, back in the day, like a couple years back, I used to really want to be a probation officer. And if you know me, you know that I went to school for criminal justice. And then I got my bachelor's in human services because I changed my perspective in wanting to work in the criminal justice field after I had her, because she just made me look at things so much different. So after that, I wanted to be a social worker. Child protective services, my bad. Child protective services. I wanted to work for CPS or adult protective services. But one time I had a really long talk with somebody that worked in that field. 2 people actually that worked. 2 people that actually worked there, and they told me that unless you want to be on call 24/7, you really don't get to spend time with your family. That just hit me, and I just didn't want to do it anymore. I just told myself, I don't want to be away from my kids and my family, because you only get one life. And I just I feel bad about it, but my kids are more important. So
Which one?
you
Me?
you and then
Now we're important.
she says which ones because I work with kids, so sometimes I refer as my kids, like my work kids, and she'll be like, are you gonna get that for your kids or for us, for your work kids? But yeah, so oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. So yeah, so right now my dream job, I really like what I'm doing. I'm working with kids with autism that are autistic, or people that are artistic, because I don't just work with children. So I am pretty content where I am right now. Maybe in the future I'll probably change, I don't know, but I really love my families that I'm working with. They're all so nice, and you just you grow a bond with them. So right now I'm okay working there.
Aw, Mom, that's very nice.
Yeah. Okay, our next question is your biggest pet peeve. So what is something you don't like? Algo que no te gusta.
What happened?
Uno. Just say one thing that you don't like. I have one.
What?
Number who? I can think of I have a lot actually, but I can think of one right now that is just my biggest pet peeve. My biggest pet peeve is when you're eating at a restaurant and then the people que están limpiando, like that they're cleaning and stuff, te van y te barren los pies. Like I hate that with the passion. I hate when people, like you're eating a nice meal and then ahí vienen a trapearte y a barrerte los pinches pies. Like I hate that. I hate when they do that. What is your biggest pet peeve? What is something you don't like?
I got one.
What?
Like, do you know grandma? Do you know grandma where we go? Grandma and me, grandma Stella and me. Where we go to McDonald's. Like no se entienden con grandma. Do you know where we order like some sausages and tuna eggs and hamburgers?
So you don't like that? They need to learn English, huh? I mean Spanish. So she just said a really good one. So my mom doesn't speak really good English. You know, she understands it and she'll get by it. But she says that she doesn't like when they go to eat to a restaurant, like to McDonald's. So my mom will go take her and get sausages in the morning when she sleeps over. And she says that she doesn't like it when... Vente para acá. She doesn't like it when the employees don't understand her because they don't speak Spanish. So that's a good one. One thing you're embarrassed to admit. Probably her most embarrassed moment was she used to have like this like granito like right here on her head. Oh, somewhere right here. She doesn't have it anymore. I took it off. But she used to have it and you could see it whenever I would do her hair like back, and she said that one time her friend asked her what it was. Her friend asked her what it was and she was really embarrassed. But
like what in my school.
Her school. So one thing that I think is really embarrassing that happened to me like throughout my entire life that I remember really clearly, excuse me, was I was in 6th grade and back then se usaban las pelucas, you know, like the pelucas that come like in a liga, and they used to be like really really curly. I don't know, I'll try to insert a picture here if I find some. Back in like 6th grade, so I'm talking about in 2006, and I used to have like the peluca in my hair. I used to have exactly how my hair is right now, and I would put this liga on top of my hair, and it was a peluca, it was a wig, and it had like really curly hair, so my hair was really curly. And I think I got it at the summer or something, and then I don't know what happened in 6th grade. I don't know what happened because se me cayó, and it was on the floor in class, and like people were like, whose wig is that? And it was so embarrassing because it fell. I will never forget that moment. But I'll try to.
And then they say pelona or what?
No, it didn't say pelona. No, it didn't say pelona. What do you order when you get some coffee? Well, I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee.
I like coffee.
You don't like coffee.
I do.
She's talking about the chocolate chip wraps from McDonald's. But
You said it's coffee.
there's a little bit of type of, it's not coffee. It's not really coffee. Ven pa' acá. Well, anyways, I don't really order coffee. I don't really like coffee. So if I go to Starbucks, I'll get a iced caramel macchiato. But that's like hardly ever. Who is your celebrity crush?
Who's my crush?
Your celebrity crush. You don't have any celebrity crushes.
Yes, I do.
Who?
It's that.
You have a crush on? Girl, you're exposing yourself. That evil laugh. You're exposing yourself. I don't have a celebrity crush. I used to have a crush on Zac Efron when High School Musical used to come out.
Yeah.
Next question. Do you have a pet? I do have a pet. Her name is Lily. We just got her actually this year. She is about 5 months.
How old is she?
5 months. She's so cute. She's mixed with the sheepdog. Absolutely beautiful. I love Lily. Okay, next question. Who is your best friend?
Okay.
Better.
Okay, I have Bella and Elizabeth, Stasia, Nareri,
Nayeli?
What's the girl of the sister name?
Melissa.
Melissa. And then my other one is Melissa.
Oh, okay.
I had 2 Melissas.
Okay, so my best friend. I honestly just have one best friend. Her name is Victoria. She's my comadre too. We've been best friends since freshman year.
But in my school? Wait, in my
Mickey.
Oh.
So yeah, I only have one. That's
You
her.
have a lot.
I only have one.
You got the table.
2008. So they say that if you have a friendship that lasts more than 10 years, you'll have one for the rest of your life. So I guess she's my partner in crime. All right, our next question.
What's our next question, Mommy? I'm cool.
Your dream vacation, somewhere you would love to go.
Oh, I
vacation.
already know.
What is it?
It's a dream of vacation.
Okay, what's your dream vacation?
To the beach.
The beach.
Mommy. Oh, you know what? I know. It's like Washington.
You wanna go? My dream vacation is to go one day to Barcelona, Spain. I have always wanted to go to Spain, but in particular Barcelona. Okay, your next question is, how many states have you traveled to? How many states have you traveled to?
What? What does that mean?
Nanali has traveled to Las Vegas, Nevada, Arizona, because we went to Mexico traveling like by car, so yo pasé por todo eso. So I guess I've been to a couple, and then the one she's been to as well. Okay, this is probably gonna be our last question, cause
No.
do you put your ketchup in the fridge? Yes, we put our ketchup in the fridge.
That was a good one. One more.
Okay, one more. Excuse me. Nelly to haircut, y'all. His uncle is out of state, so yeah. Your favorite candy? What's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is ring pops.
Ring pops? My favorite candy, I don't really have a favorite candy. I like chocolate. I don't really like candy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.